Hello everyone! For today's video lesson ay itutuloy natin ang inyong learning task number 2, letter C. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung learning task number 1 at number 2, i-click nyo na lang dito sa taas para mapanood ninyo at para wala kayong ma-skip na videos. Nandito na naman ang inyong teacher Jinjin para tulungan kayo sa inyong mga mathematics learning tasks. Alright, simulan na nga natin. Dito sa letter C, write the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by the rule. We have a sub n equals 4n minus 1. Again, paalala lamang, inibahan ko yung mga given dito upang sa ganon ay subukan ninyong isolve yung nasa module ninyo. Okay? Dating gawin tayo ha. So, ang tinatanong dito is yung first 4 terms. Ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung first term, second term, third term, at saka yung fourth term. Ang gagawin lang natin ay papalitan natin yung nth term ng kung ano yung hinahanap natin na term. For example, hinahanap natin yung first term. So, ibig sabihin, papalitan lang natin or substitute lang natin yung 1 dito sa n. So, magiging 4 times 1 minus 1. Ganun lang siya. And then, simplify. 4 times 1 equals 4. And then, simplify the operation. 4 minus 1 is equal to positive 3. So, ang first term natin ay positive 3. Next, kunin naman natin yung second term. Dito naman, papalitan lang natin ng 2 yung n natin. So, a sub 2 equals 4 times 2 minus 1. Then, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then, simplify 8 minus 1 equals positive 7. So, the second term equals 7. Next, yung third term naman. So, papalitan natin ng 3 yung n. 4 times 3 minus 1. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then, 12 minus 1 equals 11. So, ang third term natin ay 11. The next naman, yung fourth term, palitan ulit natin yung n ng 4. So, 4 times 4 equals 16. Then, kopyahin yung minus 1. 16 minus 1 equals positive 15. So, ang first 4 terms natin ay 3, 7, 11, 15. Pwede ninyong isulat dito sa baba. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the sequence is 3, 7, 11, 15. Next, number 2, we have a sub n equals 13 minus 2n. So, kagaya lang din ng ginawa natin sa number 1, papalitan lang natin ng value yung n. So, we have a sub 1 equals 13 minus 2 times yung n ay positive 1 na. Then, 13 minus 2 times 1 equals 13 minus 2. Simplify. 13 minus 2 equals 11. So, ito na yung first term. Then, next naman, yung second term naman, palitan ulit natin yung n ng 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. 13 minus 4 equals 9. Then, next, third term naman tayo. So, papalitan lang natin yung n ng 3. So, 2 times 3 naman is 6. Then, 13 minus 6 equals 7. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Next, fourth term naman. So, palitan natin yung n ng 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then, 13 minus 8 equals 5. So, the first 4 terms of the sequence is 11, 9, 7, 5. Next, number 3, we have a sub n equals 2n. Madali lang to. So, papalitan natin ng 1 yung n. 2 times 1 equals 2. Yan lang yung first term natin. Then, second term naman, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, ang third term naman, 2 times 3 equals 6. Then, ang fourth term naman, 2 times 4 equals 8. So, the first 4 terms of the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next, number 4, we have a sub n equals 4n plus 4. Again, papalitan lang natin yung n. First term, that is 4 times 1 plus 4. Then, 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Ito na yung first term. Next, second term equals 4 times 2 plus 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Next, third term naman, we have 4 times 3 plus 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then, 12 plus 4 equals 16. Then, last one, we have fourth term. So, palitan natin to ng 4. Typographical error. So, 4 times 4 equals 16. Then, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So, 4 ito ha. Next, number 5, we have 8 minus 3n. So, palitan natin yung n ng 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. This is the first term. Next, 8 minus 3 times 2 naman. So, 3 times 2 equals 6 and 8 minus 6 equals 2. Ito yung second term. Next, third term. So, papalitan natin to ng 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 8 minus 9 equals negative 1. So, negative 1 dapat to ha. This is negative 1. So, this is the third term. Next, fourth term naman. So, this is also fourth term. 8 minus 3 times 4. Then, 3 times 4 equals 12. 8 minus 12 equals negative 4. Bakit negative 4? Kasi kapag nag-add tayo ng integers, subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. So, the first term is 5, the second term is 2, the third term is negative 1, and the fourth term is equal to negative 4. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyong mga modules. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all, and goodbye! See you on the next video!